Here I have UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as UMIDIGI logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the factory mode pops up in front of you. Alright, now you can use the factory mode, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can perform the automatic auto test, you can perform manual test, item test, you can see test report, you can also select debug test, you may also perform hard reset by choosing clear eMMC, but let's just be careful with that one because you will lose all your personal data. You may also choose version to check out your current system version. If you would like to go back, let's use reboot. So the reboot option will just restart your device by quitting the factory mode and entering the normal mode. So let me do it. Let's press power key to choose reboot, and the device is simply restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.